the gang? It's your boy Vezzy Money, back with another daggone video. Man, today y'all, I'm about to head up and meet some Chrysler 300. So it's a 300 meet that's going on. I'm about to go see what's popping, see what everybody, you know, see what's just vibing with everybody, you know. That's what I'm about to go do. Just got off work. I'm tired as a mug. I got the most unhealthiest snack because I had to get something on the run. Well, it's not healthy. It's I got some Doritos and a Wawa sandwich. If y'all know about that Wawa, comment down below. I just a lifesaver. So I'm about to go meet up with some 300s, you know, and we gonna do some cruising and grooving. You feel me? And I'm just chopping up with a few people, man. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of the footage of the 300s that will be coming. I hope it's an SRT 8 there. I get a review on. It's hot as a mug in the joint. I gotta roll the window down a little bit because it's not like cold. Well, it's a little chilly. You see, I got the hoodie on, but it's not like cold enough where you need to turn the heat on or you need to roll down windows down. You know? But y'all, if y'all new to the channel, go ahead and like and subscribe to the Vezzy Money channel because I'm coming out with these bangers every single daggone day for you guys, man. You gonna get the hottest 300 content around, Mopar content and all that stuff, man. I just love cars, so subscribe to the channel if you like cars. Alright, so I'll see y'all when I get there. Peace. Bro, this is my first time like taking a car through this car wash site. I don't like it. I always get my car in hand detail, but it's an emergency situation. I can't be going out looking dirty and I don't know. Dude, I don't know what's going on, man. I hope nothing fall off my car. Please let my wicker bill be there. Please let my wicker bill be there. And my mud flaps. And my the covers of the thing. Okay, I'm almost out. Is my wicker bill still there? I see my wicker bill, y'all. I'm doing good. I got my covers. Hopefully my mud flaps are there. No. This is scary. I made it through, y'all. I know I did one of my other videos. That's because it was dramatic times, bro. And this changed dire times too. Ooh. Please clean my car good, y'all. Follow. I ain't looking at it weird, right? You know how like my amigos, my Hispanic family, they let you know. They just like us, they gonna make that face, they be like, they be like, oh, my J jacked up, man. They hooking me up though. I appreciate it, y'all. I appreciate any hard worker, man. Y'all gotta make this money somehow, cuz. Can't be lazy sitting on your butt doing nothing. Hey, pushing me like that. This little lane, they want me to drive through there. This car, a big old boat, and they want me to drive through that. I hope y'all drive me off good, too. I ain't even playing. Oh, this man, he got no finger. Oh, he got a finger. Oh, he ain't got no finger. Oh, Lord. Finger got ripped off. I see you, dog. Got that Durango. That should be a family vehicle right there. What y'all think? Should I get that Durango? Should I get that Durango? Put my mask on. I gotta get out and see how I look. Oh, shoot. I gotta get out and see how I look. Hold on. Okay. Oh, look. I got the car wash in the bottom rain, man. I just trying to get it cleaned off. You feel me? They're good. I'm satisfied with it. Still got some bird poop on my car. It's okay. Birds got me. Birds got me good, huh? Sound good, though. Where all my stuff at? Dang, I ain't got none of my things there, though. I need to clear out my trunk, y'all. Y'all see how dirty my trunk is? Fast job. I know they got people to do, you know. Make it my own. And it's about to rain. I don't even know why I'm doing this. It's literally about to rain.
I paid $24 just to get my car rained on. Kind of a little mad about that. I gotta get this bird proof on, bro. This shit on. Get a car water. I don't want no biggie on my car. How you did that? Thank you, nigga. Alright. I think they did a good job. Just to have it clean. Oh, okay, get in this thing. Alright, I'm about to get back in there. Alright, let me go. I'm about to pull back in now. Oh, you gotta finger the drink just bent. Okay, about to, oh yeah, you gotta pull up a little bit to get the bottom. Okay. This ain't bad, but I don't know why they got it. It said no rain today. Bro, we can, all right, well, I need to remember that it is spring. So spring has showers. What it say? April showers, May flowers? I think that's right. Let me know. But that's the original SRT right there, boy. I'm mimicking him right now. I love them SRTs. Them things mean. I'm getting all this debris on my car. I think I should switch to the little microphone joint. Cause it looks like it's gonna be raining and windy. You see how windy it is? Something about to happen. Oh, I see you. Old player. But nah, I don't want that 300. That's an old player joint. Alright, y'all, I'm here with the 300 Alliance. We about to make some moves, you feel me? So you already know I got the beast up there, bro. I'm gonna have to do a review on his car. Yeah. We got some more 300, got 300 in the back. We got a Challenger, another 300. Y'all can see in the rearview mirror. I think is this a Charger? Okay, you got a Charger in the chain. Just meeting up with a few people, man, car enthusiasts, you know, just like myself. So yeah, we about to roll. At least I keep up. He got the 6-foot ripples in this thing though too. I keep up though. Look. She ain't slow, but she keep it up. Yeah. I feel like I'm the little brother right now that's trying to keep up with his big brother, you know? Like you keep up with him, but you ain't gonna catch him. Yo! Yo! Hey, I just came from chilling with the 300s, man. I had to go, unfortunately, y'all. I gotta work tonight and I gotta think about my sleep and stuff. You see, I look getting crazy right now, bro. I haven't had any time to do anything. I've been really busy, just hustling and bustling, but I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna shave my face, get everything together, man, for the night. I gotta work tonight, so unfortunately I wasn't get everything, but it's good chilling with a few of the guys, you know. Not gonna do that move.
Okay. And few of the fellas, man, got to meet a few people, new people, which is cool. I always like to meet new people, man. 300 gang, whatever. Mopar gang, you know. So I'm gonna chop it up with him again. I'm supposed to have another car meet in June or something like that. That's supposed to be coming up. It's supposed to be me and Mr. 300 supposed to be there. So yeah, we gonna do our thing, bro. And yeah, shout out to everybody at the 300 Alliance, bro. Y'all was real cool. It's cool just rolling. It's cool to just drive sometimes, you know. I just love to drive. If you got a car, you better drive this thing, boy. So that's what I do. I love to drive my car, as you see. Alright, slow down. I'm in Mexico. Peace, y'all. See y'all later. Deuces.